What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel once again. I know I have been gone a little too long. Life has been a bit busy, and yeah, that's really no excuse because everybody be busy. So anyway, I did get busy, and I took some time off to really just put out some meaningful content and really do what I want to do, and hope it's interesting to those of you who come to my channel and watch my videos. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, and we're gonna get this show on the road. So today I'm gonna do some twists. They're not gonna be quite mini twists. Honestly, I'm all about saving time. I don't like to rush through my hair, but at the same time, I don't want to spend hours on it unless, you know, I'm just in that kind of mood, and I'm not in that kind of mood often. So I just really want to twist my hair. Twisting is usually faster than braiding it. So I'm actually trying to recreate a Juicy set of semi-mini twists that I had probably about a month ago. They turned out so good. My hair was so soft and shiny, and it just looked really good, to the point where I was completely content with just walking around with the mini twists, and I wasn't concerned with taking them down. And I achieved those juicy, shiny, luscious mini twists using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa line. Curly braid out glaze. Says it's infused with biotin and moringa seed oil. And I paired that with the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Sealing Cream, and it says it helps to support natural growth and retention. I could have sworn I got the shampoo, but I couldn't find it when I used it the first time. So I actually used the it's still the Main Choice, it's their product, the Heavenly Halo shampoo. I like this shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos right now. So I use this one. It's a moisturizing shampoo. I need moisture. From the Tropical Moringa line, the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask. Yeah, my containers don't look all pretty and nice because I've been using it. I really did like this mask, y'all. Using it the second time, I'm heavy-handed because I don't want no problems detangling. But using it for the second time, it just glides through my hair like butter. I have no problems detangling or anything. So after I washed, deep conditioned, and detangled and rinsed everything out, they have this Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture rinse out or leave-in conditioner, and I chose to leave it in. I'm trying to step-by-step recreate this look because I love those twists so much. And actually, I'm gonna post a picture so y'all can see it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna dampen my hair with the water, the warm water. And so the first time I did this, like I said, I did pair the Pearl Glaze. They consider this a gel? No, it's considered a glaze, but whatever, it's a gel. So I paired the glaze with the sealing cream. I put the sealing cream in first, and then I put the gel in. So I'm gonna do it again. And I try not to use a whole lot of this because I was worried about flaking, but I didn't get any flaking or anything like that. So, and I'm not using a lot. This is going to be for this entire section back here. Glaze, and then I separate this small section into two smaller sections. I try to make them even, and then go in Might add a little bit more product and twist in the direction of the natural curl and smooth as I go down. And then add a little bit more of the glaze. Goes in the direction it's gonna go, and that's it. There's my twist. Some of the glaze. Again, making sure I get the roots because I want product from root to tip. Just parted another section, and I'm gonna repeat those same steps for each. I'm gonna dampen the hair, and then I'm going to go in and add some of the sealing cream, and then add the glaze and twist. So this took way longer than I expected. Yeah, I didn't plan on doing the twist as small as I did, especially towards like the back and middle. I'm finally done. I will smooth my edges down a little bit, and I'm just gonna put my satin scarf on, but I will leave the twists loose so they can, you know, dry more. And once they're completely dry, I'll stretch the twist a little bit, not too much. I will show you guys the final results, which is probably just gonna be a little bit different than what it is right now, but I am super tired. I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so this is the results of my twists being dry and slept on. They're now completely dry. I didn't really stretch them. I had them in like maybe 2 ponytails like this. And so how I maintained the twists overnight, I do put some of this Rosemary Mint Oil by Mielle Organics on it, on my scalp, and you know, just keep my hair from being dry, keep the twists looking nice and shiny and at the roots. I also use this restorative spray from the line. Now, I'll be honest, because I was iffy about using a restorative spray. I just was like, it seems like a waste. But this is surprisingly, it's good. It keeps the twist moisturized, so I'll go through, spray some of this on, and then put this on my scalp and, you know, throughout my hair to seal in the moisture, and then I'll tie it up with my satin scarf and just sleep on it that way. So I can say I did get the same results that I got the last time when I used the line. The Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze and the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Sealing Cream. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'll try this combination or if you've tried the line, how you feel about it. For real, for me, this was just about making sure my hair is moisturized. Just something that's versatile and convenient for me, that I don't have to go in and restyle my hair every day, at least for like a week. And then I'll unravel the twist and rock the twist out for, you know, at least a few days. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate you. Click the like button for me and come back and watch the rest of my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.